#1, the CD. As you can see, we have a Candyland CD here, and it's going to go in there. Chris? Alright, set it for about 30 seconds. Alright, so as you can see, it is, okay, stop the microwave. Alright, let's see what we've done here. Safety gloves.
Toxic fumes.
Watch your nose.
Melted CD.
Is it melted? No, no. Oh, wow. That's pretty nice. Bit higher. Oh, Chris! It's not fragile, it's just melted. Alright, let's see the front pic. As you can see, Candyland has now been redefined. Alright, that's it for experiment #1. Experiment #2.
Here we go with experiment #2. We are putting tinfoil in the microwave, and we're gonna see what happens.
It's gonna blow up.
Here we go. Pretty colors.
Almost looks like there's fire in there.
There is fire in there.
Alright, that's pretty nice. Now let's see if anything happens with the tinfoil balls. Nope.
And the tinfoil is... Experiment #3, Kristmas Lights. We got some Kristmas lights here in our microwave.
Courtesy of
Blow
Chris.
them up, and we're gonna see what happens.
Marching up the way? Cool.
Oh, the light's about to blow up.
Oh crap.
Yeah, might want to turn it off now.
Yeah, it took
Yeah.
We got plasma
like
coming.
it. 1, go!
Experiment 4, effects on glow sticks in a microwave. We have glow sticks in here. We accidentally kind of did 2 already, but we got another like 20 in there, so we're good. So here we go. Here goes glow sticks. Oh, it's lighting up, it's lighting up. Here we go.
It's one of those dramatic dance.
So cool.
It's one of those dramatic dance shows. Dun,
All coming in on cue.
Dun.
That's what you should
Da!
Da.
Da-da! When are the big ones gonna come in? Probably take a bit longer. Still got, oh, I still got the red one on the end there too.
That looks pretty cool.
It does.
So colorful.
It's like a rainbow in my
Change your
microwave.
habits so that it's more
Whoa!
Whoa!
Exploded! Explosions! Ah!
Ew.
Ah!
Nice! The microwave's gonna be glowing for a while now.
Da, 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 da. Oh, spray!
Are the big one's gonna do anything anytime soon?
That's so cool.
I'm gonna have to explain that to whoever looks at my microwave.
Why does your microwave glow?
It's only in the dark. They're bending and curling now. Big ones, go off, quick.
Come on, big one. Oh,
I think it just
exploded.
ruptured.
Oh, I can see it kind of. Okay, I think we're done here.
Yeah, I'm done. And it doesn't even look like the...
All
This
right.
is the inside of my brand new
Microwave.
cheap
After
microwave.
The lights.
After the lights exploded.
The lights are all off. That's all natural light from glow sticks.
And as you can see, the big ones not only didn't go off, have melted and ruptured all over the plate. But as you can see, it is very, very, very colorful in there. And if you get the fan out of there, you can see this is going to take a while to clean up, and you might see it in Experiments 5+. Oh my god.
It's like a rainbow.
There's a rainbow on the roof, but I can't show you that because this Todd's here. But anyway.
Experiment number 5. We got some snow globe hearts here because we love physics so much. And now we're gonna blow them up. So we got 2 red hearts in here and 1 pink one because that's our favorite color.
What's your favorite color? It's the color of your pants. Anyways.
Here we go.
This might take a while.
Whoa! that was explosive.
Oh my god.
Microwave set off by itself. Okay.
I think that Alright, so what we have here is damage. Gloves. The red one bit the dust first.
Alright.
You're lucky it didn't hit you sitting straight across from it.
That's what the secure latches on the door are for.
Yeah, but it came out.
Yeah, the door blew
Oh boy,
open.
they
But it hit
should
the
have just
door
done
before it
one
blew
at
up.
a time.
Alright.
No.
Alright.
Well, I think blowing up one is successful.
We got a
pink one that's intact.
The pink is intact. The pink is good.
As you can see, the rupture
We have a red one
on them did not work very well.
The red one is still pretty good, but it's melted up there.
And as we can see,
The red one,
third red one, and the third one was found on the floor.
2 pieces.
2 pieces. And this is a messy paper towel it left in its wake.
And all the magnets. Experiment number 5, 6. This is a glass cup, and in the microwave here, we have a grape. We won't tell you what we did to it, so you can't copy this experiment.
Unless you go on YouTube.
Don't tell them that. Okay, we're gonna put this glass cup on here, so that we may catch any explosive gases.
And make funny plasma. Night vision, go. It's blurry. There, now it's focused. I didn't know grapes could do that. Alright,
Yeah,
looks like that grape is killed.
7.
Take 2.
Okay. I'm gonna set it for 2 minutes. Oh, it's already set. Okay.
Oh wow. Quick.
Experiment 8. Alright. We have balloons with a bit of water in them.
And half water balloon.
And a balloon that just exploded. But we still got some balloons with water in them.
Okay, we just lost one. Way to go, Chris.
We're gonna close this door. And we're gonna heat up balloons.
If Christopher knew how to use a door.
If I knew how to use the door.
Okay.
And now we're gonna heat them up. There we go.
Bumper cars?
Oh, they're getting bigger.
That's what she said.
There goes balloon number 1.
Number 2 is packing all the water, though.
I think balloon 2 has a leak.
No? Wait, it might.
I can hear a sound.
Yeah, it's leaking.
Balloon 2 is leaking.
Looks like we've been...
Oh, there we
exploded!
go. Experiment number 9. We got some caps. Experiment number 1, 0, 10. We
They're
have
backwards.
here a Jergens bar of soap. We're gonna put this in the microwave, and we're gonna microwave it. In case you didn't get that part.
By now.
So here we go, Jergens.
2 minutes?
Yeah, reset it.
There we go.
Night vision on.
Yes, it's starting to deform.
There it goes.
There it goes.
It's expanding!
You should have laid it down maybe. It's split in half.
What the heck?
Whoa.
Not in the middle.
They can still see it. It kind of looks like a dog now.
There's some gooey substance coming out of the center of the soap.
I think it's living. It was meant to kill us.
Cool.
Holy crap.
It's expanding to fill up the whole microwave. Looks like ice cream.
Better to eat it. Oh, I can smell it now.
It's smoky.
Oh wow, that's a strong smell.
Well, that is a very nice soapy smell.
I thought there's just like
It's
one part
smoky,
sticking
see?
right out of it.
Oh, I can see it's like brown.
Alright, do you think it's done?
Oh no, it is not anywhere near
Oh
done.
yeah, because look at the smoke.
It's starting to burn and cook. The mic. No.
No. We got some soap.
Got a soapy mess inside of
Oh, well, that's
our
nasty.
Michael. Whoa, that is just. Ugh.
And here we go. Here's our soap masterpiece.
Is it hot?
Nope, it's not hot. It's
Okay, it's steaming. I
Melty.
can see it hot. Oh, it's a cold air.
and here we go.
And that was inside you.
How would you
Inside
like to
your
shower with
bathtub.
this?
Oh,
Because we're about to blow some stuff up and we can't do it inside the house. So this is experiment number 11. We are blowing up a mini watermelon. And securely fastened it on the door.
You can't see too?
So
don't cover the middle of it.
Yeah, you got the door covered.
door is
That's fine.
securely fastened.
That's secure.
Okay.
Not sure if your brain is. So. Let's go.
Watermelon is covered in water.
Okay, so it seems that the watermelon is porous and,
It's slimy.
like Chris's dad said, leaked.
Did it explode?
Nope, it leaked.
Watermelons, safe for microwaves.
But not recommended simply because they don't taste good very warm.
Experiment 12. What happens when you throw a really hot watermelon at a dumpster?
Don't get much.
Ah.
Alright, take 2, go.
And there is what happens.
To failed experiments.
You get watermelon mush that smells like pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Yes. You sold its heart. Oh. Unless it looks like when I kick it.
Da da da! Experiment number 12. Here we have a green gobstopper. Green because it's the same color as me. So we're gonna pretend that we're gonna blow me up in a microwave now, because I don't actually fit inside. Here we go. I think the jawbreaker's broken already.
Looks like it's melting.
It is. It's not gonna explode.
I think it broke open. Alright, let's check up on it. Is it actually melting the outside? Is it hot?
Number 13, because experiment number 12 was a failure. It just
So it was
melted.
11.
And so here we go. We have another jawbreaker. but this time it's yellow with a bit of green on it.
From the last one.
So we're gonna put it in here. We decided to take the plate out to see if it'll change anything, because last time we think it rolled onto a spike and popped open, but here we go.
Here we go.
And we're gonna apply safety tape.
Nice time with the safety tape.
And it exploded out the back.
Ah, man, it looked like it took... Okay, open it up. It looked like it took a massive shit.
Plug us in.
Plugging this in.
And
As
the
you can
Gobstopper
see,
took a little crap out the back.
needs more fiber in its diet. Okay, let's take a look at this. And
Here's where it cracked open.
it just kind of flapped
And
open.
here is the magic goop.
Magically delicious. Nice and sugary.
It tastes very good.
Alright, and that's the end of our experiments. We hope that we never get near anything expensive.